Hello YouTube. We just wanted to do a little video on hand washing eggs versus the little egg scrubber. We have about 50 chickens and get around 40 or more eggs in a day that need to be washed. Washing eggs by hand, I can wash about 7 to 8 eggs in a minute. I don't know about you, but washing eggs by hand is not my favorite thing to do. We've had chickens for a while now and have found washing eggs to be very time consuming. Washing eggs with a little egg scrubber, I can wash about 14 to 17 eggs in a minute. Our website says I can wash 12 eggs a minute, but if you use both hands together, you can do way more than 12. With a little egg scrubber, I can wash about 8 dozen eggs in around 6 minutes. The little egg scrubber is a good option for the backyard egg farmer that needs to wash their eggs. It's small, lightweight, easy to store compared to other units on the market.